Well, what do we have here? Ooh, it's got a nice outline. This is the brand new iPhone 11 Pro, 64 gigabit edition. Gigabyte edition. Gigabits are something completely different. So we got all that. It's 11 Pro with you got earpods, Lightning connector, USB-C. Ooh. Oh, everything's USB-C now? Interesting. This is my wife's new phone. Probably shouldn't read all that. Still making it in the same box. I just don't know. I just don't remember them having all the same. Remember this ridge? That feels really nice. Fuck all that. Let's get to the phone. Huh. They even got a cutout for the camera, but it's facing the other direction. Let's set that over here. Ooh. Trying not to get the light of the fan in there. I don't have the exact best lighting set up here. Let's go ahead and peel that off. Ooh. That feels good. Shit, how do I get it out of here? There we go. Just lay it flat like that. So it's that. Just one of the new green ones. So we got the 3 cameras here. Feels a lot lighter. Of course, this is the regular version, not the Max. I think I can see the camera trying to read my face. It's just my right hand instead of my left. So overall, the screen looks about the same. That's the last one, a little bit brighter. Okay, get up. Cancel. Cancel. Why did she have 18,000 emails? Oh my god. So apparently this has the best camera ever now. Well, until the Pixel 4 comes out. Designed by Apple in California. This is the instructions. So you get your Apple stickers. Some stuff. Oh, the pull out. Oh no, this is your SIM key. That's actually really good to have. Remember when they used to not give those out? Telling you how to turn it on and off. So you got your. Yeah, that's USB-C. Which is nice. It's got. Whoops! I didn't mean to drop that. Oh, it's already got crap all over it. That's your USB-C power brick. We have just your regular earbuds. Yeah, it's just regular. Are they USB-C or is it Lightning? So it's Lightning to USB-C. It is Lightning to USB-C. It was funny. I wonder if that works both ways. Because mine's USB-C to USB-C. If it works both ways, I might use this to charge my phone. I had a dog chew up my really good charger before. I think that's it. Charger, headphones, charging brick, the SIM key, and then of course the phone itself, which feels really light. Yeah, that's about it. One of these days I'll have a professional camera set up. Access my location. That's strange. And of course that's the regular ass camera app. Can you zoom out? Ooh, yes, you can. I guess that's the really wide. If I turn it sideways. That's one, and then that's two. So that's neat. I actually really like that really wide angle lens. And then video. Can we do the same thing in video? Ooh, that's really nice for wide angle video. Alright. Well, that is it for your iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. Thanks for watching.